Hi, welcome to Physics 2. My name is Mr. Olson. This video is going to take you through our class syllabus and help point out a couple of things that will help you be successful as you go forward in Physics 2. Let's get started. The first part of our syllabus here just has us looking at the introduction to the class, some of the things we'll be covering, and importantly, my contact information. There are two ways to contact me. The first is the phone number here. This is my desk phone. And is really only useful during school hours. However, my email is by far the best way to get a hold of me. So if you need to get a hold of me, this goes straight to my cell phone. So please use my email often and early. Also listed here is our class website. Our class website is a really good place to find review materials. However, our Google Classroom is going to be what you're going to be using on a daily basis. Things that you'll need are pretty standard. The one thing I do want to highlight is that you will want a 3-ring binder. I 3-hole punch everything. Organization is a challenge for me, as I know it is for many of you. So please make sure you get a 3-ring binder. I try to make it as easy as possible. Everything I hand back to you has purpose and can be reviewed as we get closer to tests and the exam. We're going to go over the classroom expectations in a lot more detail in class. However, we are following the PRIDE initiative, and we're going to make sure that we're positive, respectful, take the initiative, are determined, and engaged. We can't have food or drink in this class except for water. This is because it is also a science lab, so we shouldn't be eating or drinking in here. We'll go over how best to have a snack in class. This is an important part and always a challenge. But electronic devices. There's so much research behind why this is a problem, and I provided a couple of examples here. I encourage you to look through those. But electronic devices, especially cell phones, will not be allowed in class. Not at all, not even a little bit. This is your warning right now. We shouldn't see any phones. If I do see a cell phone, our first consequence will be a detention that's served with me. And if we have a problem repeatedly having our cell phone out, it'll just be upgraded to a referral. This is also something we'll be talking about a lot more in class. Classwork. This class will not have a lot of homework. However, the work that's done in class is expected to be in on time. If something happens and you have to get it in late, I'd rather you got it in late than not at all. So there's only a 10% penalty for any late work. Please make sure to stay on classwork as it is given in a timely manner. Attendance is pretty straightforward. Please be here. Grading. Classwork will be worth 5% of your grade. Labs and quizzes are going to be worth 45% of your grade. And tests will be 50% of your grade. Now, all classwork, labs, and quizzes can be redone for improvement. This is all still part of our learning. However, our tests cannot be retaken, as that's our final assessment. Quizzes will be allowed one in-class retake. Any retake after that, you'll have to fill out the quiz retake request form. There's a link right here under grading. We're going to show when we've retaken our work or redone our work in Google Class or in Skyward. The way we'll do that is with this FA, SA, TA if we need a third attempt. And I'm going to have FA, and it'll show the score that you got on your first attempt in those parentheses. Your highest score will always be the one that is graded. The rest of this is just the grading scale that is standard with all of your classes. So not terribly important to us. Thank you for watching this video, and please make sure you remember to click that this assignment is complete in Google Classroom so I know you are all set with it.